When it comes to choosing a new compact SUV, especially in today's ever-growing market of options, reliability and safety tend to be the two most influential factors for most buyers, and for good reason. These are the pillars that determine not just how comfortable your daily drive will be, but how much peace of mind you'll have over the years you own your vehicle. And in that context, the 2025 Mazda CX-30 continues to prove itself as a standout contender in its class. Let's start with reliability, because this is where Mazda has built a quietly strong reputation. Unlike many brands that chase constant innovation for the sake of headlines, Mazda takes a more measured, almost Japanese traditional approach, refining proven technology, sticking with components that work, and building cars that feel over-engineered in all the right ways. The 2025 CX-30 carries forward the same powertrain lineup as before, which includes the tried-and-true 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine, and for those wanting more power, a 2.5-liter turbocharged variant that produces up to 250 horsepower when fueled with premium gas. Both engines are paired with Mazda's 6-speed automatic transmission, again, not flashy or new, but extremely dependable. That transmission, by the way, is a key reason this vehicle avoids some of the long-term issues you might see in rivals that use CVTs or dual-clutch systems, which are more prone to wear or expensive failure over time. It's this kind of commitment to functional durability that gives the CX-30 one of the best reputations in the segment for reliability. Over the years, the CX-30 has consistently scored well in consumer reliability surveys, with high marks from sources like Consumer Reports and J.D. Power, especially in categories like engine performance, brake life, and even cabin electronics, which, let's face it, have become the Achilles heel of many modern vehicles. On top of that, Mazda continues to offer high-quality interior materials even on base trims, which means fewer cosmetic issues like premature wear and tear, sagging upholstery, or cracked plastics. Little things that add up over time and affect how a car feels after a few years of use. Then there's the ownership experience. The CX-30 isn't just about not breaking down. It's also about feeling like a car that was built with care. It starts with tight build tolerances, quiet interior spaces, and smart ergonomics, like how the infotainment system is placed higher for less eye strain, or how physical controls are used for volume and climate settings instead of burying them behind complicated touchscreens. That's Mazda's human-centric design philosophy in action, and it contributes directly to a sense of long-term livability, which is a huge part of reliability that often goes overlooked. Now let's move into safety, where the 2025 CX-30 really shines. While official 2025 crash test data from the IHS and NHTSA is still pending as of this writing, the previous models, including 2023 and 2024, earned the coveted Top Safety Pick Plus rating from the IHS, and a full 5-star overall rating from the NHTSA. Given that the 2025 model retains the same structure, platform, and safety suite, while refining some sensor and software calibrations, we can expect similar excellence in this year's testing. All trims of the CX-30 now come standard with Mazda's iActive Sense safety suite, and it's a surprisingly comprehensive package even at the base level. We're talking forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and driver attention monitoring. In other words, it checks all the boxes that modern safety-conscious buyers want, and does it without making them pay for a higher trim. What's also impressive is how Mazda tunes these systems. Some cars make the driver feel like they're being constantly corrected or scolded by overly aggressive lane keeping and beeping alerts. Mazda, on the other hand, has dialed in its ADAS, advanced driver assistance systems, to feel more like a co-pilot than an overlord. The lane assist nudges are subtle but noticeable, the adaptive cruise control brakes more like a human would, and false alerts are rare thanks to improved radar and camera calibration. Mazda even tweaked the pedestrian and cyclist detection algorithms for 2025, making them more accurate without becoming overly sensitive to harmless objects like shadows or road signs. These seemingly minor refinements make a big difference in real-world driving, especially in urban or suburban environments where constant alerts can quickly become annoying. Safety isn't just about technology though, it's also about structure. The CX-30 continues to use Mazda's Skyactiv body architecture, which emphasizes rigidity and impact absorption. This helps not only in crash performance, but also contributes to better handling and fewer body creaks over time, again tying back into that long-term durability we talked about earlier. Compared to its rivals, the 2025 CX-30 holds a unique position. The Toyota Corolla Cross is a close match in reliability and also features Toyota's well-respected safety sense system, but its cabin feels more utilitarian and its driving dynamics are more muted. The Subaru Crosstrek brings all-wheel drive and rugged styling, but reliability has dipped slightly due to some transmission and infotainment issues. Hyundai's Kona is stylish and tech-forward, but long-term durability remains a question mark as Hyundai continues to refine its new platforms. Honda's HR-V is solid but uninspiring, with lower reliability ratings and a less engaging driving experience. The CX-30 manages to blend style, build quality, tech usability, and Mazda's signature driving dynamics, all while offering safety and reliability that's at the top of the class. In conclusion, the 2025 Mazda CX-30 doesn't just offer buyers a compact SUV, it offers a sense of security, confidence, and peace of mind that's increasingly hard to come by in today's competitive market. Whether you're commuting daily, taking weekend road trips, or simply looking for a vehicle you can trust over the next 8 to 10 years, the CX-30 delivers. With proven mechanical components, class-leading safety features, smart design choices, and a track record for holding up well over time, the 2025 CX-30 is more than just a stylish crossover. It's a smart investment in both safety and reliability.